Alright. We have goals today, and my camera is making everything fucking purple for some reason. What is going on here? Well, just pretend you took a couple tabs of acid and everything will look normal after that. But first, we must get this giant fucking piece of shit out of here. Then we'll know what's what. Oh yeah, real fucking nice car, guys, and fucking fuel lines are flopping all willy-nilly. Look at these fucking welds, dude. It's trash. Some weird ratchet fucking shit going on there. Oh, copious amounts of baling wire. Onward. Alright. Well, shit. She's a little fucking filthy, I guess. Maybe just a wee bit dirty. But actually, yeah, we're a little rusty right there. The rest of it is pretty fucking straight though. I am pretty happy. Fuel filter. Got some shit. Over there. Hey, there's some shiny blue springs. Alright. Well, shit, this ain't so bad. We've got some, racing beat, I think, headers. And those came with those professional leaves. Add a lot of horsepower. Other than that, though, we got no fucking muffler, so I bet it sounds pretty cool. Got some fucking shit that's dinged right there. Oh well. The list! Oh, wait, that's money. There's the list. There's the list. Well, looks like we got tires. We tackled that one. Check fluids. I didn't make the rules, guys. Yep, that's motor oil, alright. Well, doesn't taste like coolant, so that's all I'm worried about. Stick that right back in there. Get a accurate level, I should say. Or towards the low side, but we ain't fucking... We're not below the add line, so that's okay. If we do get it to run, we won't keep it running for long. That or it just won't fucking run. Battery. Third item on the list. Well, I don't have one of those. What's gonna happen?
Easy por connection.
Careful not to... Do I hear a fuel pump? I do, we have a fuel pump, okay. Well, that's clearly not enough juice, but we have a fuel pump. It sounds like it's submerged in something, so it's possible to go from there, won't we, folks? I have the strength of a bear that has the strength of two bears. Come on, you whore. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Set this up here. Choke. This does have a manual choke. I'll stand back. This is terrible for a rotary engine because it's kind of like a two-stroke, so you're really washing away all the cylinder lubricant, except it's not a cylinder. Come on, you fucking thing. It did something. It fucking did something. A little more, a little more. I'm not satisfied. Whatever, it's fucking empty. I'm a goddamn goofball. Alright, we'll be right back. Uh-oh. Shut your mouth. It's not good. We didn't even really develop any real oil pressure, and as you can see, Houston, we've got a fucking problem here. So I guess the external oil cooler. That's not good. Hopefully that didn't cause any problems in the past. Alright guys, I found some fucking 2-cycle mix. Please do something, baby. Dang it. It's been a long time. Holy shit! Holy shit, guys! Alright. That was a fucking victory. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. It didn't even sound fucked up. Like, it sounded like all its apex seals were there. Did you hear it? It went bligga, 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 bligga. Man, that is puking oil really good, though. Alright. Honestly, I'm so happy about that I might just accept my win for the day, but... What the fuck is going on? Yes!